Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you Monday.com tutorial task management. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to go to any web browser, type Monday.com, and then create an account. It's so easy. All you have to do is to enter your email address, or you can continue with your Google. For me, the easiest way to sign up is to continue with my Google account. So I have to click this one. Now it will ask you what brings you today or here today. You can select from any of the option here, but for me, I had to choose personal. Click continue. So select what you'd like to manage first. You can choose from any of the option here. So for me, I want to click other, or let's just say product management rather. Okay, after that, click continue and then select what you'd like to focus on first. So click task management and then tap continue here. And then after that, one last question. How did you hear about us? You can answer this, but you can also skip this part. So let me type continue. And then here, who else on your team? You can add their email address, but you can also do that one later. You can invite them later. For me, I want to invite them later, so I had to click this remind me later. And then let's start working together. So you can name your board here. So give your board a name. So for example, for this task and management, I'm going to create or name it as YouTube project because there will be upcoming YouTube project and I want to give task to my staff, to my employees or my team members. Now, as you can see here, you can choose your board or what you're going to add to your board. So as you can see, if I tap owner, you will see it right here. It's like a field. So if you want to add property, click property, it will be added to your board. If you want to add budget, it will be added to your board. Also same thing with timeline notes, or you can add anything later, which I'm going to show you. And then once done, all you have to do is to click next. So here, get real-time insights. So you can also add this or customize the widgets, for example, task overview, task by status, task by owner. So everything is up to you. You can choose from any of the given options here. And then once you're done, then what you're going to do is tap next. Okay, so this one is the layout or view layout. So basically you can choose from table layout, Gantt layout, timeline. Okay, this is the result. Also for calendar, specific dates, of course, Kanban, cards. It's up to you which layout you want to choose. But for me, I want to choose table layout. For me, it's easier, especially if I want to assign task. And it would be easier for me to just simply, give this task to anyone. But actually, you can also try this Kanban if you want. Kanban is also an easy to use layout. You can list your project here. For example, you can add here to do, doing, dot, or in progress. Everything is up to you. And then once you're done, what you're going to do is you have to click get started. Okay, so once you tap this get started right here, it will take you directly to your workspace. So get started. And this is what it looks like. You have the name here, project. So on the left side, you can see here home, my work. Actually, this is the home, my work, favorites, workspace. If you want to add another workspace, just click this plus icon. So this is our main workspace. You can add a new one. You can select from any of this, for example, project, portfolio, board, doc, dashboard, form, and so on. Okay, but basically this is our main workspace, YouTube projects. So up here, you can see work management and you can also tap the see plans. Now here, you can choose the right plan for your team. As you can see, there is this basic with its functions and features. So you can unlock this once you upgrade to basic, also the other one. If you want to upgrade to standard, you must pay this one and also with the pro, but of course, you can unlock or you can use these features once you have upgraded your plan. So you can also compare the plan. If you want to scroll down here, you can see compare and plan. So you will know how important it is or how advantage it is to upgrade your plan from free to basic to standard or pro. Okay, so you can unlock these features if you want to use monday.com for a long time. So you can simply upgrade your plan. Going back, okay, so we have here our task management. So like what I've mentioned earlier, if you want to invite someone to your workspace, you can just simply click invite and then add them, add their email address. They will receive this invitation. All you have to do is to wait for them to accept your invitation. Then you can start adding them or tagging them here to whatever task you want to give. Also, if you want to go to Marketplace, you can see here all applications. And if you want to integrate your Monday.com, you can see here other platforms and applications that you can use in the future for your project. If you tap this profile icon above, you can see your profile, administration, apps, marketplace, trash, and so on. You can also log out here, your account. So going back, let's start. So here is our main table. If you want to add another table layout, you can tap this, okay, plus icon and select which one you prefer. For example, if you want to add Kanban, so you will see also the result of your task if you tap this Kanban. If you use Kanban, you can just simply tap that one. If you want to add more, for example, forms, you can tap this plus icon and then add forms and so on. So basically, these are the tasks, and I'm going to add task right here. These are the elements and fields. Now, if you want to change the name of your project, just click your project here, tap this arrow facing down, and you can change the name of your project by clicking. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So use a project, create and upload. So this is the name of my project. So if you want to add tasks, all you have to do is to click and then delete and then add task here. So these are my tasks. These are the tasks that I'm going to give or I'm going to share to my team members. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Now, if you want to delete a task, just click this three dots right here and then you can delete or archive a task. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now, if you want to add more details on a specific task, you can click or double click and you will see this. Here you can add more description, you can add files, you can mention, you can add link. Okay, so you can be more specific with a or with a task right here. So all you have to do is to double click or click that one. It will take you directly to this. So you can add pictures, you can add videos, you can add files, you can add more people here. So everything is up to you if you want to be very specific or if you want to add more information about a specific or one task. Okay, so you can also add comment if you want. So basically that's it. You can do that to the rest of the task right here if you want to add more information about each task. So that's it. Now let's move on to status. So if this task, if you want to set this as working on it or done, you can just simply, click that one and then select that specific status. You can also edit labels here. Okay, you can also edit and then add. For example, if you want to add, for example, stock, or if you want to change this done to whatever label you want, you can just simply click this plus, new label, and then click apply. You can also add like can't do and also change each label's color. Okay, now you can set the status to working on it, stop, can't do, or let's just say impossible or done. Due date, basically, if you click this one, it will take you directly to the calendar view and you can just simply set a deadline for each task right here. Okay, so that's how easy it is. Now let's go to priority. So priority is also same thing as status. You can change the label, you can add, and then you can edit, of course, and you can change also the color if you want. So if you want to change this to high, medium, low, urgent, something like that. So basically all you have to do is to click plus new or add new and then click apply. Okay, and change the color if you want. Now, if you want to add a new field or property, just click the plus icon. For example, if you want to add budget and then set a budget for each task here. Okay, so that's how easy it is. It's very easy to use Monday.com. And before I end this, I forgot to assign this task to specific people. So just click this person icon right here. And then since I have added them, I have added their email address. So I can just simply tag them right here. Okay, so basically that's it. Now you can invite more. And also, once done, you can just simply share this if you want to And this is monday.com tutorial task management. So I do really hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.